Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can outline something in Photopea, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be showing you guys how you can manually outline something. There might be an option to outline it more easily. However, what I know is how to do it manually, and I'll show you guys how that can be done. Now, firstly, of course, you need to select your brush tool and select the color of your outline. I'll keep it at black, and then to create the most accurate outline, you need to select the smallest brush size that you can. I'll select the 2 pixels, and then you just want to zoom in on whatever you want to outline. Let's say I want to outline these 2 letters, and now all you need to do is, well, firstly select a layer which you want to draw on, and then just like this, draw the outline yourself. And once you've drawn the outline, it should look something like this. Let me just finish this eye up. It should look pretty good once I zoom out. And now that that's done, if I zoom out, it is a bit crooked. However, that is pretty much how you outline something. Now, I could have done a better job. However, this is the best that I could have done at the moment. And yeah, that is pretty much how you outline things in Photopea. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.